What's up, fam? Welcome to the channel, welcome to the vlog, and welcome to an episode of Montage. For those who are new to my channel, my name is Montage, and by the title of today's video, I am going to be reviewing this. The VW Golf R, which many of you guys know her as Nova, which you've seen on social media. But before we get into that, make sure that you guys give this video a like, smash that subscribe button, and click on that notification bell so that every time when I release a brand new video, you guys will be the first to know. And with that out of the way, let's get the show on the road. Alright fam, so we are finally inside Nova, which I am joined here today by Cecilia.
Hi guys!
Who is the owner of Nova, which you guys can go and follow her on Instagram and TikTok, which I will link her socials below. So Cecilia, how long have you owned Nova? What have you done to her since then and that?
Well, Nova has been my pride and joy for about 4.5 years, almost 5 years now, and just love it. Car passion, car fanatic runs through my veins, and she is now tuned by Boost Genetics, and I also had a 7R before Nova, which he has also done, so amazing tuner, and she's full stage 2 at the moment. We have also recently forged and built the engine, so this year all I can say is watch this space. You will be, I think, in for quite a treat with what we have planned for her.
Alright, and with that out of the way, let's go for the drive. So you're in Nova on the move, and I'm not gonna lie to you guys, like, just by the sound and how she rides, which is amazing, like I don't know how to explain, like, camera doesn't do it justice. You have to actually be here to experience it for yourself. And this is obviously not my first time in the Golf R. I've been in a stock Golf R, and for a stock Golf R it felt very fast, but this is Nova, which is nothing stock about Nova at all. About Nova at all. And Cecilia, so this is basically your daily, right?
Yep, she's my daily. Absolutely love it. The fuel, I wouldn't always say like agrees with the pocket, but hey, you know, car passion, you only live once, so gladly do it over and over again.
on like pulling and pulling and pulling. I'm like,
You see why it's so addictive?
uh-huh. What? Oh, I can confirm that this is faster than a stock Golf R, for sure.
I would hope so. A lot more fun.
Oh, wow.
So as long as Nova gave you a thrill, we're happy. Mission accomplished.
Oh, very happy, very happy. Oh, wow. Well, fam, that concludes today's video. If you guys have made it this far, you guys are a real one. Just don't forget to give this video a like, smash that subscribe button, and click on that notification bell so that every time I release a brand new video, you guys will be the first to know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace.